Okay guys, pasok tayo dito sa loob ng Memorial Garden. Wow, this is so pretty here.
That's why I said these plants don't really need out only the sun.
Oh, okay,
Right.
that's what you.
See, up over
It's
there?
in the shade.
Don't get any sun over there.
Look at that trees, babe. It's so cool. Right? Let's see here. They have a little fountain here. There's someone. You wanna walk there? Wow, there's a little fountain. Oh, I like this one, babe. See, it's like climbing. Yeah. Clematis. They call it clematis. Wow, I like that with the water there. The bird will like that.
Yep. It's a tree,
Mm.
It's not a tree.
Wow, that's a different kind of tree. They have more here. Wow, they have more. This is nice. Oh, look at this flower, babe. This is so cool. We used to have this one. I like this. And I think they come back every year. Look, babe. It's really cool. They put the rock together. Ang ganda pala dito, guys, sa loob ng Kaufman Garden. Pero hindi allow dito ang mag-pictorial. Pwede ka lang mag-snapshot. Ayan, ang ganda, oh. Wow. Look, babe, look. You wanna see this? It's like they're climbing. Look. Wow, babe, this is so beautiful here. Wow. Wow, babe. This is so nice. Wow. Wow, that's really cool. Wow, ang ganda naman dito, guys. Maliit lang siya na pero grabe ang garden, ang dami. It's so beautiful. Yan, kakaiba rin to. See, they use those grass, right? For fertilizer.
The guy we saw in the garden.
Huh?
The guy we saw in the garden. Talked to.
Ah.
Let's work for the city.
Ah, that's nice. It's nice to, you can work like this, babe. Look, there's something.
They did a good job.
Yeah.
That's grapefruit. Wow.
Ah, yeah, you're right.
Real red grapefruit.
Grapefruit. Wow. This is very pretty, man.
That's amazing. I had no idea this was
Wow.
here.
Ang ganda dito, guys. Ang ganda dito mag-relax. Relax ka. Nag-read ng books. Oh, ang daming bunga nito, oh. This is nice, babe. This is beautiful. Wow, maganda dito mag-relax guys. Oh. This is the Kaufman Garden. They have variety of flowers.
Over here.
Yeah. I have to take a video first. Look around. Come here, look around. This is different kind of flower. Wow, babe, look. Look, babe. It's different. Right? It's pretty. Wow, this one too. They have a flower that I didn't see in the regular store. Ang ganda nito guys, oh. They have like a variety, babe. It looks pretty, right? Like mix.
Oh yeah, it's all mixed.
Yeah. This is the one look like a ball. Wow. Ang ganda guys. So pag pupunta kayo dito guys, malapit sa plaza, pwede nyo to siyang daanan. Dito sa Kaufman Garden. Malapit lang to sa Nelson Atkins. Yan lang guys. Thank you.